So most of the talk last week was all about silver eagles, and it is the staple of the industry, right? But the talk was about the U.S. Mint already projecting next year to have a shortage in silver eagle blanks, so we're going to follow a similar pattern to what we're seeing this year. So it's kind of a gloom and doom, yet to be expected as we crawl out of this scenario with the Mint in its current status. So what we did was the exact opposite. We went the other way. Well, if you can't find the new stuff, let's go find the old stuff. And we found a great bucket deal, mixed bucket deal, to give us the opportunity to do this tonight. It's fun style silver eagles. Let's take a peek. Uncirculated, everybody, look at the price. $39.95 each. Here is how the deal works. The silver eagle's been out there for 37 years, 38 designs, because last year we had 2 of them, okay? In this grouping of buckets we purchased, there has to be 15 to 17 different years that were available in this grouping. So if you're buying 2 coins, you're going to get 2 different dates. If you're buying 3 coins, you're going to be getting 3 different dates. And that will include the brand new Eagle landing designs, which means you can get a 2022 Silver Eagle for $39.95, which is $20 to $30 less than anybody else on the planet right now. The difference here is they're uncirculated. The difference here is we have a wide selection of dates, but the biggest difference is we got crazy prices. Our coins date back to 1987, which is year 2, and they smatter all the way through the 90s, early 2000s, and the current last decade, including the brand new Eagle landings from last year and this year. A few of those were included as well. So you're going to get heraldic designs, which is the design from 1986 through the year 2021. They call it Type 1 from last year. And the last design change, the only design change, which is the Eagle landing. That came out in July of last year. This is the first full year of production. But it's all about silver eagles, uncirculated silver eagles at a crazy price. Normally you're expecting to see bullion. We're talking uncirculated bullion, 1 ounce pieces at that $49, $59 range lately. Usually the legal tender coins are a little bit of a premium on top of that, which is normal. This time tonight, we are our lowest price on silver eagles, and I can't remember how long. So again, if you're looking for just to put aside some silver eagles, you want to buy 10, we'll get you 10 different guaranteed. If you're looking to put 15, we're going to be able to get 15. We might even be able to stretch it up to 20. There's a couple of them we only have a roll or 2 of, which is going to hamper our style tonight. But the bottom line is this: uncirculated silver eagles for the lowest price we've had in outright years. Thanks, guys, for that. Our phones are already getting backed up. avccoins.com is the way to go. 24/7, 365. You've made it the #1 collector site in the industry. We thank you from the bottom of our heart for that. We understand it's our relationship with you that makes that happen. We got to find great stuff. We got to have great prices, and that's the only way it'll work. But tonight, it's all about silver eagles in this particular presentation, this particular talk, about silver eagles in uncirculated condition and under $40. Earlier this year, we were the lowest people on the planet at $49.95 for uncirculated coins and capsules, right? Now everybody's raised their prices to $59.69 because of where the market has been dictating itself and pushing itself. Just what it is. Nothing wrong with that. I mean, they're already over 10 million for the year, which we expect, and we're going to see them probably get over 20 to 22, 23 for just this year alone. If you go back to 87, we're over 11. We have a number of years where we were under 10 through most of the 1990s and early 2000s. And then we started to get the swing where it dominated and became the #1 silver dollar in the world today. Well, a couple of reasons why. First of all, it is the largest, 40.6 millimeters. The Morgan dollar was 38.1. The peace dollar was 38.1. The Eisenhower was 38.1. It is the purest. Our U.S. coin silver is 0.900 fine. The silver eagles were made in 0.9993 to be competitive with all the other silver dollars that were in the world at that time, which were only a few, but again, got to make it like a bullion piece because that's what the intent was. Then you got to get the weight, the heaviest. The Morgan dollar is 27 grams, right? Which is almost an ounce. A full ounce being 31.101 grams, and that's what this is. So it's the largest, purest, and heaviest. And look at the design. That Walking Liberty design is from the Walking Liberty half dollar dating back to 1916. That carried itself through 1947, replaced by the Franklin. So it's the heaviest, purest, right? And now the most beautiful as well. And tonight, one more thing to add to the cart. The craziest price on the planet. And the largest variety and selection available. Now, if you are looking for specific years, we do have a good number of these already on our website. So if you need a 94, 97, 02 to work on your collection, we have them all. Take a peek and they'll be priced individually for you. If you're looking for just outright silver value, silver buy. That's what this Bonanza style or Fun style, F-U-N standing for Florida United Numismatics, which was the show we were at last week where we got these buckets. And the price, wow, huh? Just outright wow. 5 coins, 5 different. 10 coins, 10 different. 15 coins, no questions, different. Included in that will be the majority. If they're different, the majority are going to have to be heraldic design. That was the first 37 years. But we do have some Eagle Landing. So if you're buying more than a couple, we'll make sure the design type is in there as well. So you'll get the Eagle heraldic design, which is the John Mercanti design, and then the new design, which is the Domster design, which is Eagle Landing. So if you're buying 5, we'll make sure one of them happens to be that Eagle Landing, so you can get the 2 design types in there. That would be a 21 or a 22, obviously. Buy 10, the same scenario. Buy 15, the same scenario. It's all about where the flow goes. If more people are buying 10s, we're going to be able to offer a couple of 20s. If most of the deals are 15, because I know for sure that's what I can do the most volume in, then we're going to be stuck at 15. Again, the deal was a small number of buckets. The number of buckets had a variety of different years in them. They weren't solid buckets sealed. They were open buckets with just rolls. So that if those of you that are familiar, the brand new roll has that whitish roll with the green cap on top. The earlier ones were a different type of tube with orange caps on them. Those are the 87s. There's a few of those in here as well. So again, 80s, 90s, early 2000s, into the last decade, and into now the brand new design. Silver Eagles all the way. Phones are very busy right now. We appreciate your patience. Operators, we got a large group of people on tonight anticipating the explosion on this item, and smart reason, good call, I guess, is the answer there. But Silver Eagles at $39.95. Our competition, ready? 87, 97.95, 89, 97.95, 95.99, 05, 97, 10, 97.50, 14, 96.50, 20, 79. Finally, a lower price, 2021. Last year's. Type 1, 67. Type 2, 65. A second dealer that lists them individually as well. Somebody you know online, one of our rivals on TV. They're at $79 to $89 to $99. They don't lower their prices until this year, the 2022, where last week they lowered their price for a special tied to the 4th of July for $49.95. We're still 25% lower than that at $39.95 tonight. It is nothing but the best for our best. Guys, we got to put a 1-minute clock up. Lots of activity on the phones. Again, don't forget to visit us via your smartphone, your laptop, or your home computer. That would be avccoins.com. It'll take you right to this. You're going to see a smattering of coins on the photo shot. It's in each issue at $39.95. Buy 5, get 5 different. Buy 1, obviously you'll get a Silver Eagle. Buy 10, 10 different, 15, 15 different, and we'll do our best to stretch to 20 if we can. 20 being a full roll. All of these will be encapsulated, as you see on your screen, which is another $1 that we're throwing in there. It's just the way we prefer putting these coins. But the bottom line tonight is value, not $79, not $89, not $99 per coin for all these vintage Silver Eagles. We're at $39.95 tonight for a Silver Eagle, a legal tender $1 piece versus a bullion 1-ounce medallion. That's something crazy, and that is exactly why we call this segment the Daily Deal.